Madam, what's it happen? I did on live video. You they call me. You don't need to call anybody to come and fight for me. School bus. You don't need to call anybody. Anywhere I see any dirty politician, I will keep embarrassing them. Anywhere I see any dirty politician, until they kill me, they will not have peace. Sabure will destroy Labour Party. And then current talks I'll be waiting for people that question him. He already beat me down. ABURE'S there. They hit me in my eyes. They don't carry and run.
Go back, madam. Go back. Go back.
You say what? Yeah, but they are still here. They are still here. He came with boys. He could have never let boys outside. You don't need to call people. You don't need to call people. Don't be Benin for grow. You don't forget side graduate for Unipen. You think if I want to mobilize from Mekon, the people will not be here? There's no need. Nigerians need to see who he is. People need to see him. So you bringing people here to come and fight, it's only going to ruin the cause. There's no need. Nigerians need to realize that they're on their own. If a party chairman can mobilize thugs to come and beat me, you want Animal! Idiots! See the way you are pumping on the blood of Nigerians. Animal! Where they take him to? Anywhere I see any corrupt Nigerian, I will embarrass them. As they say we don't get peace, they're not gonna get peace. If we ruin my eyes, and then they're taking me inside the office. Animal! As boy of Julius Abure. Animal! Let me call the commissioner of police. Look at my eyes.
Sorry, please. What's more?
Okay.
Don't do bad this one.
Don't distraction. This is not right.
You don't know what when you dislike.
No, that's what I'm saying. I said don't let everything go.
When you dislike.
That's what I'm telling you now. Let everything go. See now, life. It's not let everything go.
If things they want to arrest him. He thinks they want to arrest him.
Where you go?
I just entered.
Where are you going to now?
I'm going home.
Where is your vehicle there?
My vehicle is coming.
Should I put in the vehicle? Go home. Just don't talk again, please.
No, now.
Don't talk again. I know what I'm saying.
I'm okay.
No, don't worry. She's
I'm okay. I'm very okay.
Don't worry.
I'm very okay. If you think I'm not.
Arusha is out, so she will report. She's going back to the station on Monday. After she don't cry, beg. So she's going back on Monday. God bless Barrister Julius Abure as a father. He talk and just now say he not there to punish anybody. But at least wait till she try, so we should not try again. So as you come out now, current, come talk again. These children of anger, they mention my name. One of them mention my name. Oga Julius Abure, don't already talk to me, they release her. Go and say no more. On Monday you go report. On Monday you are going back there. Well, I don't say fear, not let her talk. I don't say fear, not let her cough. Cough now. Ta. She don't cry, beg tire. She don't cry. You cannot mess up, you a boy girl, you cannot mess up a Benin man, a dumb man, they mad. On Monday now follow her go back, they make she go report. If she don't reach there 8 o'clock, they'll go pick her for us. Nonsense children. But not here where Oga Abure say, make they release her. Make she not try am again till she die. She can't try that nonsense again. See Abure for airport, but that's Abure. All obedient. Anyone that see Abure, they give her a chance. What do they worry about? All of us they support Peter Obi. May nobody call it grace for where we dey. One of them mention my name. And they should not see Pepe. They beat her, they still put her for sale. Now they suppose they beg. Now she call the beg to come. They give away player, they don't reach us. The first release us before they release. The others are very sharp. They don't bath, chop, they sleep. And after they come.
Okay, guys. Yesterday, Julius Abure was the oppressed. He was arrested by the Nigerian authorities, by the Nigerian police. And when that happened, a lot of Nigerians cried out, came to his defense. Today, Abure is the oppressor. You see what I mean about Nigeria? When they criticize the people in power, you ask questions. Those people in power, are they not from the Nigerian society? The people that are being oppressed even welcome the oppressor. This is why a lot of people think that Nigerians don't need help. Until they rise from their slumber, begin to fight for themselves, then Nigerian politicians will not stop taking them for a ride. Look at that fool. Look at that idiot who is supporting violence. And the Nigerian authorities, regardless of what is going on, regardless of how decayed the system is, they are yet to pick that guy up. That they arrested Mama P is not even my case. That Abure, the person allegedly selling out the ordinary people of Nigeria by not giving them the third option to rescue Nigeria, is not even the option. But the sorry situation of things in Nigeria is making even the oppressed become the oppressor. So, where do we go from here? Nigeria indeed is in crisis. Julius Abure had a golden opportunity to write his name in gold after leading the Labour Party to become the third party or the third force in Nigerian political history in 2023. Through His Excellency Peter Obi, would have stepped down after his tenure expired. What did he do? He tried to become a lifetime chairman of Labour Party by hook and crook. This is why Labour Party today is where it is. This is why Labour Party cannot be said to be representing the ordinary masses of Nigeria. Yet, people cry every day about oppression from the elites. But when they have the opportunity to show the difference, they are always messing it up. Where do we go from here? Abure Yesterday was the oppressed. Today, he is the oppressor. Nigeria will hail thee. Nigeria will hail thee. Where do we go from here? Get in the comment section and let me know what you think. Is there hope for Nigeria? Or is it military democracy that we are practicing in Nigeria? Every Nigerian has a military mindset. They cry when they are not in charge, or they cry corruption when it doesn't involve them, benefit them. But when it benefits a true Nigeria, they turn the other face and turn the other cheek. Is there a hope for Nigeria? The Nigeria of tomorrow that Peter Obi is crying for, that you, the ordinary Nigerian, is crying for, is this still possible with this ordinary Nigeria that we have today, with this generation that would rather sell their mother for a pot of porridge? Is it still possible? Get in the comment section and let me know what you think. Until we meet again in this arena, remember to subscribe to this video, share the video, please be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Remember, let me leave this word of wisdom with you. The child that sells the father's land to buy trumpet, on which land will he stand to blow the trumpet? This is Open Whispers. Cheers.